Okay, so I caught myself instead of continuing to blabber on here. I wanted to just show you one more thing, and that is a quantitative interaction. Remember that a quantitative interaction is when the relationship that we see across the level of one IV in terms of the which one is higher, which one is lower, remains the same, but it's either enunciated, it's either a greater difference or a lesser difference. So I want to show you this here. Again, we're talking about task difficulty as easy or hard, and then arousal level as low, moderate, or high. So you see here at all levels of arousal, low, moderate, high, it's always the easiest task difficulty that yields higher math scores than does the hard, right? At every level, the easiest is the highest, the hardest yields the least. But when we connect these, again, if I do low, 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 oops, man, this is hard. Low, 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 and hard, hard, hard. Again, you don't see it here, but let's keep these lines going, right? If this line keeps going out, this line's going to cross. If this line keeps going here, you know, again, it's not the greatest, but you do see here, right, that this is about the equal distance to this, but something that's not equal distance here. You see how much bigger this is. So while it's still across all levels of arousal, it's the easiest task that yields the highest math score. It's even a greater difference in the high arousal level where the easiest task performs much better in the math than it does in the hard. So this is an example of a quantitative interaction, right? So there's the quantity is either greater or lesser in terms of the difference, but the relative relationship is the same. The easiest in all of these levels of arousal, the easiest task difficulty always yields higher math scores than does the hard task difficulty at all levels of arousal.